Hey, it's Lady J and welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, I would like to remind you of a few things. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know that you know words. Wow, okay. You know when I upload. You'll be there. You'll be there when I upload. Sorry, I don't know where the words was coming from. They weren't coming. For today's video, you'll be watching me do flat twists. As you can see right here, nice and looking neat, looking good. This could be used as just a protective style. You can wear it as is, or this can even be a useful foundation for when you're wearing wigs. Yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling because I know y'all just want to get right into the video. So I hope you enjoy, and thanks for watching. So this is the final look. Nice, neat. Couple tips. Just remember to make sure that your hair is very detangled before you start and even during, just to make the process look easy and you don't have too many poofs and whatnot. If you would like to know the products that I use, that stuff will be down in the description box below. I do offer services like this. It has been a while since I've done flat twists on myself, but hey, you know, for it to been a while, it came out pretty nice. Slicked out my edge just a little bit. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know every time I upload. Follow me on my social medias, and I hope you enjoy, and remember to wear your crown proudly. Peace.